This is a special report from About Space Today.
It's another setback to return astronauts to the moon. This is About Space Today's special report. I'm David Denault. NASA delayed the highly anticipated flight after a new problem cropped up with the rocket Saturday after the wet dress rehearsal. April is now the earliest that the 4 astronauts of Artemis 2 could fly to the moon. The heat issue has nothing to do with the hydrogen fuel leaks that marred the countdown dress rehearsal of the Space Launch System rocket earlier this month and forced a repeat test. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman said that a bad filter or valve or connection may be the issue, and the only way to access the area and fix the problem is to return the 322-foot rocket to its hangar for repairs in the VAB. NASA scientists are also comparing issues to Artemis 1 challenges, while exploring the next steps, including VAB access via the launch vehicle stage adapter and possible launch delays pushing attempts to April 2026 or later. Despite the delay, brighter prospects include potential daylight launches. Continue to follow About Space Today for more updates on what's the next steps to prepare for a lunar mission. I'm David Denault.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.